Good morning, everyone. It's Fancy, loving life over 60. Today I'm at Ingles. I am going to go in here and check out the Christmas deals. Merry Christmas, everyone. I hope everyone is ready for the holidays and that you have already stocked up on all the great deals that's going on. Today I have a $50 budget. I have $8 left from last week. I'm not doing a regular grocery haul. I don't have a grocery list with me. I'm just going in here to see if I can find some good deals for my pantry. I'm looking for meat. I'm always looking for meat. I'm hoping that I can find like some hamburger meat and different stuff, but for sure I know I can get ham today. I checked my apps and there's nobody else that has anything any cheaper, so I'm just going to get it here to go in my freezer. I like to stock up ham at this time of the year so that I always have it in my freezer. But anyway, I am going to go in here, I'm going to see what I can find, and I'm going to take you with me. Let's go. They do have mushrooms for $1.49 a pack. I'm going to get some of those. You can even freeze them. If I don't eat them this week, we can freeze them. So I'm going to grab a couple packs of those. Nothing really on sale for reduced or manager special. I'm just going to probably grab some lettuce right here. Since I got those mushrooms, I don't know, I might figure something out to make with that, but yeah, nothing really. It's just good to always have some lettuce, side salads, whatever. It's like one bottle of some fancy dressing for $2.99. I'm not gonna pay that. I sure hope everyone is ready for Christmas. I have to go run a bunch of errands today. Last minute stuff, of course. My son and my husband plays music, and they're going to be playing on Christmas Eve. So they're needing guitar strings. So while they're working, I'm going to run all the last minute errands and take care of all that stuff, of course. You got to do the last minute errands, like it or not. But anyway, I don't see anything really, no good deals in this area. Okay, I don't really see anything in the lunch meat area. Of course, I got that last week and I did end up putting that in the freezer. There's a pound for, that's Black Forest, $5.99. I still don't want to pay that, and I don't need it. Not a stock up deal for me. Yeah, nothing in the lunch meat area today. They got Jimmy Dean sausage 2 for $7. That'd be $3.50 a pack, which is a pretty good deal for Jimmy Dean, because Tennessee Pride is on sale for $3.98, and even the Ingles bread is on sale for $3.48. I might grab a couple things of Jimmy Dean this week to go in the freezer. Yeah. I was just looking, this canned ham is $14.98. I think that's a lot for a canned ham, but I'm not sure. I never really buy it. But it always reminds me of the Christmas story with the Cranks, where they're trying to get that ham and she's fighting in the store. It's so funny. I love that movie. Anyway, just thought of that. They do have some chicken breast on sale today. Yeah, 2.5 pounds for $6.97. I guess that's not too bad, but just not a stock up price for me. So I'm going to pass on that one. They had some reduced meat today, ground beef, but it's reduced to $4.98. I mean, that's a $2 savings per pound here at Ingles. But since I don't really need it, I think I'll wait and see if I can get it less than that on a reduced one day. Yeah, I'm gonna skip that today. Okay, I'm over here at the hams, and I'm definitely gonna get this one, $9.60. Savings $11.14. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely get this. I'm gonna cut that up and put it in my freezer. We make candy every year at Christmas and through the holidays. I hate paying this price, but at least it's on sale. I'm gonna get we just like using the Jif Creamy.
Excuse me, ma'am.
So, I was blocking the aisle. Anyway, we just like using Jif, the creamy kind, for our candy. So I'm gonna just get this while it's on sale. I mean, normally I would just be for making peanut butter sandwiches and crackers. I definitely only get the Jif. I mean, I would get the Ingles brand. But just because it's the holidays and we're making cookies and candies and stuff for all the grandkids, I'm gonna grab the Jif. Okay, they do have Kraft mayo on sale. I'm going to stock up on that because I checked the Walmart app and their mayo there now is like $4.98 or around $5 for a regular price at Walmart. So this is an awesome deal, and I'm gonna stock up on that for my pantry. They have their Libby's canned vegetables this week on sale for 88 cents. That's a really good deal. I don't need any canned goods. You know, I keep my pantry well stocked on that, but you need to check stuff like this if you're just now starting to stock your pantry and this is the type of stuff you like. I usually get it at Aldi's. It's always cheaper there, but hey, if you're just now stocking, remember that any of your stores, it doesn't have to be in Ingles, that's just my local store, but whatever your local store is going to have deals as well. I don't know why pasta's on sale, but that's a good deal for Barilla. 4 for $5. That's like $1.25 a box? Yeah, that is an awesome deal, but I don't need any. I'm well stocked on that, but I'm showing you. This is what I stocked up on last time, and I got it so cheap. I think I got it for $1.25 a box, and they have it on sale for $1.88 today. But that would not be a stock up for me, but this one would be 4 for $5. So if you need to stock up your pantry, stuff like that, grab it now. These sales will not last. You will not see sales like this probably, well, every once in a while. They have a 6-week rotation, most stores do, but Easter will be the next big deal sales. Canned soup's on sale, but you know, 2 for $3. That's not a stock up price for me. But let me tell you, one day this week we got some kind of a bug. I was so very sick. I couldn't even get out of the bed. I was so sick. Only lasted like 24 hours, but thank God for soup. I mean, you know, I had plenty of soup stocked in the pantry, and that's what we ate on for, you know, a couple of days. It's good to have soup. They do have their mac and cheese on sale this week for $1.68. Their regular price is $2.68. Now, I stocked up when I was at Aldi. I got that really good deal. Same size box, shells and cheddars, I got for $1.19. And that's when I stock stuff like that. But if you don't have an Aldi near you or a close Walmart, this would be a good deal today to stock up on your mac and cheese. Does anybody else keep tea bags in their pantry? I love sweet tea. Now, I don't make it all the time because I don't need all that sugar, but it is delicious, and at holidays we like to keep sweet tea around. Grandkids love it, of course. So, yeah, they have sweet tea on, or not sweet tea, they have tea on sale for $1.28 a box. They do have cake mix on sale. By the way, it's my birthday. Happy birthday to me. My kids are going to take me out to eat, and so that's another thing I have to do after I get done running all my errands. I got to get home and get ready to go out to eat with my family. I'm 64 now. But anyway, back to the groceries. We already have stocked up on cake mixes and stuff, so I don't need any today. But yes, you will find your cake mixes and probably pies as well going to be on sale today. Okay, I bought some of this at Easter and stocked up. When you find it 3 for $1, you will not find it any time cheaper than at holidays. And I always stock up. They have their chili, their spaghetti, their gravies. Usually they have taco seasoning as well. Anyway, I'm going to stock up on that. This week, Dixie Crystal is $2.98. I did buy, I don't remember when, I got some Domino's one week for $2.98, but this is the time to grab this, and according to how much you use in your baking and stuff, stock it up. Of course, your flours are on sale. You know, we had those deals going also at Thanksgiving, which I did stock up at Thanksgiving. My favorite flour is White Lily. It's just what I like. Anyway, they have it buy one get one free again, so that's a really awesome deal. Now, I don't need it because we have plenty. Oh, yeah, the gold medal bread flour turned out to be really good. I did make some bread, and it came out delicious. And thank you for everyone who left comments telling me you use it all the time. That was my first time trying it. It came out really good. So if you're looking for bread flour, it's $2.98 this week. That's an awesome good deal. And anybody that has any tips or comments that they want to leave on what they do for their pantry and their stock up and their groceries and their whatever, leave all those awesome tips. I absolutely love it. I read every single one of them. Okay, here's a deal right here. 68¢. Now, that's not something I cook every day, but I do stock it up and I keep it in my pantry whenever I want to just whip something up. Muffins for the kids, you know, when they're there. You may have noticed by now how my grandkids all the time, they're always hanging out with me. I had to take my granddaughter home early because I was gonna have to get ready to go. I had a lot of errands to do. Boy, she was mad at me. She did not want to go home. She said, it's not time yet, Mimo. But anyway, I keep stuff like this because it's quick and easy. And if for whatever reasons I don't have some cookies or snacks for them, I can whip up a quick muffin. Look at that price. That is a good deal. Anybody that's watched me a while knows I like to keep paper plates always in my pantry because that's something you need if you lose power. But I also like to have them at the holidays. It just makes things a lot easier. They have these Solos on sale this week for $2.98. That's a pretty good deal. I mean, paper plates and stuff like that has gotten so expensive. Yep, they do have their pies. I don't do the Christmas dinner at my house. The kids all do that, so I don't have to buy all this stuff like I do at Thanksgiving. But $4.58 for the apple pie. That's a good deal. If I had room, I'd buy some of that and stock it up just because it makes life easy. But I'm wanting to show you, if you are looking for pies, you know, they have them on sale. It's such an awesome good deal. And if you have room in your freezer, you could stock these kind of things. I don't, because I don't have room for that. I like to keep my space for my meats and my vegetables. And I make a lot of my own homemade pies. But I do like easy. Just because I make my own don't mean sometimes I don't want easy. Just like with the biscuits. If I can get it cheap and do it easy, I do that. Alright, today sour cream, Laura Lynn, $1.48. That beats Aldi's this week, so I'm going to grab some of that. Laura Lynn cream cheese, $1.28. Once again, beats Aldi's price. I'm going to get that. $1.98 for 8 ounces of cheese. Sargento, for the name brand, that is a good deal, $1.98. It's about what it is at Aldi's for 8 ounces. They have the block as well. Cheddar. They have everything. $1.98. Now they have different brands. Cabot, $2.98. I think that Sargento's a pretty good deal. I don't really need any this week, but Laura Lynn has none on sale, and I usually buy it when they have it on sale because I can get it for $1.50 a pack. So I'll skip on that. They have their Grand's canned biscuits. Now you tell me $1.98 for that, or $2.98 for the Laura Lynn brand. We're gonna go with Grand's, and once again, it makes life easy sometimes. Grab it while it's on sale. And butter, $2.98. This will be your last chance till probably around Easter. If you haven't stocked your butter, you better do it now. You still have a couple of days left till Christmas, and this is the time to get it. Alright, this is everything I got. I'm trying to show you because I'm not going to be able to get back to the house and film. And then I want to get this all edited and up by Monday morning. So I'm not going to have time to take it all home. But I will show you my receipt when I get back to the car. I've got those freezer bags that keeps everything cold. And I'll put it in that and go finish my errands. And I'll talk to you when I get to the car. Okay, everyone. I am finished up here at Ingles, and I've got my cold stuff in my bags. I showed you in the buggy what I got. But the one thing that I forgot I had to pick up was dog food. I didn't really go over budget, but if you look at my receipt, it was $70.94. I put $50 cash and paid the rest on my debit because I had to get my fur babies, some food. They love this. I don't give it to them all the time, but Rachel Ray was not on sale, and I wasn't going to pay that high price, so I grabbed them this, and I'll get Rachel Ray later. But anyway, I hope everybody has a wonderful, wonderful Christmas and a Happy New Year, and it may be sometime. It may be right after the new year when I post a new video, but I hope everybody has an awesome Christmas. And if you like this content, please like, subscribe, and comment, and leave me those great tips. I'll see you on the next one. Bye now.